Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, come for your goods. The message to Jamaicans who have uncollected items at the ports.
Despite appeals by Jamaica Customs, barrels remain. TVJ News got a first-hand view of the problem in Montego Bay, St. James, where we also spoke with Port Handlers Limited.
Details in this report.
Hundreds of barrels are stocked with items yet to be collected, neatly wrapped boxes with generators and more. This represents a warehouse bursting at its seams. We're blurring some of the images to protect the names and identities of the senders and delinquent receivers. But based on what we have seen, the items are for individuals in some parishes that were greatly impacted by the hurricane. For example, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, Hanover, and Westmoreland. Here's Sean Cochrane, Port Manager at Port Handlers Limited.
We have seen a 97% increase in throughput for this comparable period. So we have both the hurricane relief goods coupled with the Christmas goods coming in all at once.
And so items have been sitting in the warehouse for months. Space is running out, and there are other containers to be unloaded. Individuals may now face financial risks.
The possibility of losing their goods, where the Customs Act gives the customs authorization to take possession of the goods to be transferred to the King's Warehouse, and that is located all the way in Kingston. Now, I'm sure at the end of the day, that's going to be a greater cost to persons, and I'm sure a lot of inconvenience in order to try and retrieve the goods. And further, the greatest risk as well is the fact that they could actually lose their goods if customs determines that they are going to be disposing of it through auction or other means. We have a slogan, and that slogan is, "Come for your goods."
As individuals act on the request, Mr. Cochrane also wants people to know that the Port Authority of Jamaica has taken steps to reduce costs, including fees paid by customers.
The Port Authority has also communicated with shipping lines in order for them to reduce some of the demurrage charges that usually accrue against containers when they take too long to strip. In relation to the port operating directly, we have removed storage costs. Well, the Port Authority has mandated that we remove all storage costs, and we have also reduced our handling fees. So that even right now, we are almost close to about 50% of general charges that persons can come and benefit from.